this is Christina Farrell from themakeupblogger.com, and today's question is, I have full lips, how can I make them stand out? Well, as a makeup artist, one of my favorite tricks is a two-tone approach, especially used with a product that has both products in one. I like to use a very beautiful nude shimmery lip gloss that is 1 or 2 shades darker from the accompanying. That way you get depth, and that creates the look and enhances a fuller lip. Let me show you how it looks. Now use a lipstick that has quite a bit of shimmer in it. This will naturally already enhance the bigger lips because the sheen will catch the light. To finish off, use a nude illuminating gloss in the center of the lips only. As you can see, with the lip gloss being applied in the center of the lips, it gives the illusion of fullness. If you already have full lips to begin with, this will only enhance the sensuality of the fullness. I hope these tricks help. Remember to use a lipstick that is 1 or 2 shades darker than your normal lip color, and a gloss that is light and reflecting only in the center of the lips. I hope this helps again. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Christina Farrell from themakeupblogger.com.